Everyone, it's Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art. Thank you for joining us on another amazing week on the Fluid Art Express with my fantastic art family. I hope you just watched my amazing sis, Shambi Fluid Art. And we had our very special guest this week, Gert Creates. I love Gert. She is just an absolute legend. Down to earth fun and a talent. So, today, radial fun. Just playing with a different palette, different colours, and let's see what we come up with at the end.
Something beautiful could take a hold of your world, lead you down that road where you'd never go. Who could have seen or believed it turned out like this? What seemed perfect, what felt right would be such a mess. And if you forget, what you got left. When you're feeling low, I can lead you home. See the light, there's no turning back. Feel the hope, go on, take a step. I see it I see it, I see it, I see the light. Oh, I see the light.
So it ends like it began for me, and all that we can see, the light that we can believe. So you see, a love that's lost too deep, the dawn shines down on the sea. A ghost is all that we need.
And I'm not saying it's all over, and I'm not saying that time is up. And even now, nobody's been before. It's all we live for. I'm not saying it's all over, and I'm not saying that time is up. And even if nobody's been before, it's all we live for.
When you're lost, baby, babe, when there's nothing left to believe, when you're fading, you're all that I need.
And I'm not saying it's all over, and I'm not saying that time is up. And even now, nobody's been before. It's all we live for. I'm not saying it's all over, and I'm not saying that time is up. And even if nobody's been before, it's all we live for. It's so simple when I see you. Can't deny it, the way I feel you. You're so electric when we touch. I can never get enough. All the places that we've been, all the moments just for fun. Moving closer, be the one. Moving closer, tell me that you're gonna be the one. Tell me that you're gonna be the one in my heart. You'll still be there when lights they go dark. You'll hold me when it all falls apart. It's so simple when I see you. Can't deny it, the way I feel you. You're so electric when we touch. I can never get enough. All the places that we've been, all the moments just for fun. Moving closer, be the one. Moving closer, tell me that you're gonna know that this ain't love. I know this cannot be, but I want it, so why am I so into it when I know you and I is a physical thing we don't talk about. We just hide under the covers. I feel you closer. I want you to make me get lost in my body, lucid in my mind. Lie to me, tell me I'm yours tonight, and make me feel like I'm the one to lie, like I'm the one tonight. When you call me up, I want more, but no, we shouldn't do it. Oh my, how you make me feel like I'm so alive. I can't find the thrill it gives me. I feel you closer.
Alrighty guys, well, I'm digging that one. I like the way that the, it actually, what colour was that one? Don't know, but there's one colour there that's doing really beautiful little circles around all the other colours. I like that effect. I think it's pretty cool. And that is it for us this week on the Fluid Art Express. I hope you all enjoyed and had some fun as always in our chat. Always a positive, fun experience. And that is it for me. So, as always, take care, stay safe. I'll see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day and thank you for watching. Go get messy.